The country of Trinidad and Tobago just sits a few miles off the coast of Venezuela and is the most southern island group in the Caribbean. Off the coast of Tobago lies an enormous reef with corals, fish, lobsters, and turtles. On this Wild Explorer adventure, we dive into the reef to explore its wonder. So diving Tobago was an incredible experience. I mean, diving down into the water, I was immediately impressed with the amount of fish species that I saw out there. The biodiversity was pretty intense. One of the most striking family of fish out on the reef are the angelfish. These colorful fish are seen darting in and around coral heads and are unique because they have a small spine on each of their gill covers and are exceptionally colorful. The queen angelfish is a charismatic fish that can be found as far north as Florida and is characterized by its purple, blues, and yellows. An endangered animal that's livelihood is tied to the health of the reef ecosystem, a hawksbill turtle swims by in search of food. These animals are found in reefs rich with sponges, algae, sea urchins, and fish, all of which make up the turtle's diet. The hawksbill sea turtle gets its name because of the sharp, protruding beak that resembles an eagle's bill. Hawksbills are particularly small and only grow to be 100 to 150 pounds. Their lifespan in the wild is 30 to 50 years. Sea turtles are incredible navigators and use the Earth's magnetic field to gain their sense of direction. This is what leads them to the nest in the same beaches that they were born. So as we were diving around the reef, one of the most prevalent organisms I noticed was a moray eel, and actually a couple of them let us get really close to them. So morays are really unique because they have a secondary set of jaws inside their mouth called pharyngeal jaws. And what they do is they help grab food, and it'll help work that food down the esophagus and into the intestines. Tobago is unique because it boasts the largest singular brain coral in the entire world. This organism is a community rather than a single animal and is made up of millions of tiny organisms called polyps. This coral formation is 16 feet across and 10 feet high and provides wonderful habitat for various species of fish and invertebrates. Coral reefs all around the world are in trouble because of climate change, ocean acidification, and pollution. The rise in oceanic temperatures can cause the coral to expel algae living within its tissue. This algae is what gives the polyps their color and allows them to photosynthesize. The lowering of the ocean pH also causes the hard calcium skeletons of the coral to become brittle and break. Finally, pollution has many effects on the coral reef and can leach harmful chemicals on the water and smother corals to kill them. Zoos all over the United States and the world work hard to help educate about the importance of these reef ecosystems and to protect them in the wild. Reefs contain over a quarter of the Earth's known biodiversity, and the disappearance of these reefs would be a terrible loss to our planet. To learn more about the coral reefs and about our oceans, visit the aquarium at the Toledo Zoo to see these and other oceanic animals from around the world. Thanks for watching.